Alright, welcome back. So now, having learned, okay, we have styled our form order. So we have given the necessary thing the position. We don't want it to be moving about. That's why we chose relative. So now we are still under form order, but this time around we want to start the label. So this is telling us that we have a class that is called form order, and inside that class there is an element label. So this is what this means. So in this case now we want to talk about the display. We want the display to be inline. So we want the display to be inline. When you choose display of an element to be inline, it means you do not want that particular element to force the next text after it. You don't want them to force it to the next line. Like in this case now, so you want this thing to be like this, but if for instance we have different display, we have inline block, we have block. If we had chosen block, automatically it will push this input, it will push it to the next line. So for a block, it means you want different text to start from different line, to start on a different line. But in this case now, inline means it should maintain its own position. It shouldn't force the text or whatever element that is after it to the next line. So then after this we want to style the input. That is just the only thing we need for our label, so that it will be in order. Then the same thing is, we have a class of form order rather. Then we have input inside that form order. Okay, so for this now we'll be declaring border, and then our border, we want it to be 3 pixels solid, 3 pixel, we want it to be solid. And then the color, what is that color that I should use? F8, okay. So I chose F8, okay. So having done this, so this is going to add border to our line, to our input rather. So this is our input. We see how it looks now. So now it will be like this. Can you see it? So after that we want to declare border radius, so that it will have a little bit curve. It will be a little bit curve. So border radius, so it's not going to be much, so we're going to make it just 5 pixels. We all know the work of this, we don't have to waste time. Then display for this one now, so that it can look like what we actually want it to look like. So display should be block, let me type it. So it should be block. Okay, let's see how this looks. Alright, can you see how it looks now? So the border radius is going to make this place to be a bit curved. Then the display will push this one down now. Okay, because we want it to be block, so it's going to come down and as well push whatever that follows it down. So this is a block form. Alright, then our font size, let's use like 15 pixel. Then font size 15 pixel. What other thing can I add? Let's say padding. Okay, or should I let you see the font size first? No, we don't know what font size is. So padding, 10 pixel. Okay, let's see this first so that we will be understanding a bit. So it's now looking a bit like this, right? Okay, so now let's refresh so you can see it, because our font size, so we'll actually increase the size so that it can contain whatever size of thing we put there. So can you see it? So that's our font size. So and the border radius too has taken place, as well as the padding. So the padding will also make it big. That's what actually give it this size, because it's going to add what is it called, space there. Alright, then what other thing can I add? Okay, if we check this one now, it is big. It contains like 100% of our space there. So I'm going to be declaring width, and then we're going to be saying 100%. Okay, alright, so now let's see it. Okay, we want to see this, not that one. Okay, let's refresh. Can you see it now? Alright, we are moving close. See you in just a moment. Bye.